the hare and the tortoise. AJ, come. Yeah, hare and tortoise. Yeah.
What's that?
The hare was always boasting about how fast he could run. I'm the fastest animal in the land, he would say. One day the hare asked, who will run a race against me? The other animals were fed up with the hare's boasting, but no one would accept his challenge. Come, Jamil. Yeah. Come, prayer time. On your knees. Let's go. Come now. Let's go. Yes. Who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thine kingdom come. Thine will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever. Amen. Amen. Come give mommy a kiss.
I want you.
Yeah.
Mommy?
Yeah, no more train. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Good night. Love you. Finally, some me time. Oh my gosh, some me time. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. To all my returning subscribers, hey, how you doing? Tonight's video is a minimalistic, we will be doing a self-care night, okay? We'll be doing a self-care night on a budget. So stick around, stick with me. I hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Let's get into the video.